Hi, my name's Angie Enyedi, and I'm the incident meteorologist that's helping support the team here respond to the creek fire. Now, as an incident meteorologist, my job is to keep the team and firefighters aware of weather that's impacting the fire site, but also to give them some forecast information so they can plan accordingly on future mitigation plans to help the fire. So what we have been seeing across the creek fire the past week has been a period of very warm, very dry, and mainly terrain influenced winds. Well, later today we're looking for a significant change in the weather because we have an approaching cold front, and behind that cold front is going to be a much windier and drier air mass, which is going to affect the creek firescape. So let's look at satellite imagery here. And our creek fire, is down in this region right here, and you actually might be able to see the burn scar and a little bit of smoke that's hanging across the firescape at this time. What we're looking at to the north and east are some clouds approaching us just ahead of and trailing the cold front that we're expecting to move across our fire site into the afternoon and evening hours. Now, with this front, we'll have a little bit of an increase in cloud cover, but what we're really looking for is an increase in winds associated with this front as it approaches us into this evening, and then especially behind it tonight through Monday. So let's go over and look at what we have up in place for our firescape. This is called a red flag warning. And we have a red flag warning up calling attention to these very dry northeast winds that we're expecting to impact the creek fire this afternoon through Monday, and then actually continuing into Tuesday after this frontal passage. So a red flag warning means that conditions are expected in terms of weather, strong winds, dry conditions, as well as receptive fuels across the firescape to possibly promote fire growth or fire enhancement. So we're really going to be keeping a close eye on these weather conditions, especially over the next 48 hours with this red flag warning in place for us. Now, to dial this red flag in a little bit further for the creek fire, we have some weather conditions that we're looking at across us for the next couple days. And so for Monday and Tuesday, you can see that we're highlighting that red flag warning in place with that air mass, that colder, drier air and very windy air coming across us once we get into tonight into Monday. So in terms of winds, we're looking for a north to northeast wind, and tomorrow is going to be the windiest day with sustained speeds near 30 miles an hour, gusts 40 to 50 up on the ridges. There could even be a few very exposed higher elevation ridges with gusts of near 60 miles an hour. So this is a very significant wind event that we're looking at across our fire. With that wind, we're looking for very dry humidity. So in fact, tonight, we're expecting after the front moves through some of our locations to fall with relative humidity through sunrise of into the teens. So it's going to be a very dry, very windy air mass that funnels across our fire tonight and continuing through Monday. Now, when we get into Tuesday, it will still be very dry and breezy, but those winds are gradually going to decrease. So it is an evolving weather situation that we do have here across the creek, and you can bet that this incident meteorologist is going to keep an eye on it for #1 firefighter safety and also to help them meet operational objectives. So thank you so much, and this is Angie signing out from the creek fire.